Welcome to Pro Engineering and Manufacturing Incorporated. Pro is the leader in the customized tunnel and batch pasteurizers for the beer and beverage industry. Trending now, Pro has an extensive inventory of refurbished drive and idle shafts, available for most manufacturers of tunnel pasteurizers. Topics covered: benefits include faster delivery, less cost and shorter downtime, extensive list of manufacturers covered, and all shafts have been refurbished with savings of $10,000 to $60,000 less than the original manufacturers. Go to the description section below to access the entire article and contact info to get a quote on a refurbished drive or idle shaft, as well as a customized pasteurizer. For over 40 years, we have specialized in pasteurizers to fit our clients' needs, big or small. Hit the subscribe button below to stay up to date on new trends and opportunities in the beverage industry. Quality since 1977, Pro Engineering and Manufacturing Incorporated, partner with a pro.